Are you ready to supercharge your customer engagement and streamline your marketing efforts? In this tutorial, we will dive into the world of ManyChat, where you will learn how to create interactive and automated conversations that can boost your business like never before. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your skills, let's transform the way you connect with your audience. Ready to get started? So let's go. So first of all have to do is open your browser and dive into ManyChat.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is ManyChat? ManyChat is a chatbot platform that allows businesses to create automated conversations on messaging apps like Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, and SMS. It helps streamline customer interactions, enabling businesses to engage with their audience, answer inquiries, and send promotions and nurture leads without needed constant manual input. With its user-friendly interface and powerful features, ManyChat empowers marketers to enhance customer experience and drive sales through conversational marketing. So to get started, all I have to do is just start with ManyChat.com. We have here some information before getting started. Have unleashed the power of chat marketing. Drive more sales and conversion on Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger using automation. And we have here Instagram theme is answer every single question, comment, and story reply 7 per 24 hours to attract more leads, increase sales, and drive higher conversation on AG. Then we have WhatsApp also. Use WhatsApp automation to help customers discover products, retrieve order information, and deliver customer support. We have Facebook Messenger. ManyChat for Messenger automates conversations to fuel more sales, generate leads, automate fakes, and run marketing campaigns. We have used chat marketing to drive more sales on autopilot. You have just to read this information before getting started. You have here claim back your time and slot costs, automatically respond to every message, and we have increased conversion rates by up to 90%. And then we have no teach experience, no worries. So this is it. So if we come back to the top here and we click over the pricing, we'll find this page. As you can see, choose a ManyChat plan that's right for you. So we have here, it's for free. As you can see, get started with access to ManyChat basic features to engage up to 1000 contacts free of charge. So as you can see here, we have no credit card or charge card required. Here we have Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp. Then we have automated conversations, limited custom flows to engage up to 1000 contacts. We have acquire new customers, access basic growth tools to drive leads to your automation. We have segment your contacts, check customer tags here, as you can see. So here we have, to get started, you click over here and you'll find this page. And you have just to select what channel would you like to start with. If it is Instagram, you have to supercharge your social media marketing with Instagram automation. Facebook Messenger, create Facebook Messenger automation to keep customers happy. We have WhatsApp here. Choose the most popular mobile messaging app in the world and reach 2 billion users. And if your Telegram power up your business with Telegram automation. So let's choose Instagram and you will find this page. You have just to answer this information. For example, all these questions: what type of company do you work for, and we have what team do you work for, what is the size of your company. So you select the option, then you click over next and you will find here this one. Here we have Instagram. You choose the one you want. For example, I will choose Instagram. Then you go to the Instagram and then you write some information. And here we have a few steps left. Log in with Instagram and set your permissions. Once that's done, you are all set to connect to ManyChat. Then you will find this page, as you can see. So this is the home page. So here we have hello, and we have here stay here. If you want to sell product DMS, send a product lineup and Instagram DMS. We have a generate leads with stories, use limited time offers on your stories to convert leads. Then you have recognize questions in DM and with EA. Identify and respond to common user inquiries. So I'll choose the first one. Then I will click over Swap Template. Once you do that, you will find this page. We have information, sell products, and DMS. So I will click over Sell Live, and we have here. I will click over here, and I will just click over Start Automation. Then you choose the next step. Here, for example, I will choose Instagram. Then you have just send message here. For example, I have sell products, DMS, as you can see. Here we have send messages. We have just I'm so excited you like here, and we have here send message also here to below to check them out, and we have here send message here, and here start automation. You have just to enter your text here, and you click over at the button here, and for example I run out the content block like text. You add simple text and buttons, images, delay, data collection, more. So I'll choose for example text, and I will write for example here. Then you click over choose the next step. For example here we choose Instagram, and this is it. Here we have big automation, and we have here tap below to check out here, and you add a button here. For example here when this button is pressed, we have the website here, and you click over done. As you can see, then you click over choose next step, and you click over Instagram. Here you enter your text again about this one. Once you do all this, you click over update, and you have to done with that. So this is it. Then let's come back to the home. You have also other options here like live chat, as you can see, and we have here broadcasting. What's your first podcast? You click on new podcast. Here we have Facebook, SMS, email, Telegram, WhatsApp also. Then we have here also automation. You click over new folder, and you enter folder name, and you click over to create. We click over new automation here, and you click over new driver, connect channel, you connect to Instagram. You go to Instagram and you connect. So ManyChat is a robust platform that enables businesses to automate customer interactions through chatbot. Its user-friendly interface allows you to create customized conversation flows and automate responses effortlessly. Also, with features like audience segmentation and analytics, you can personalize engagement and refine your marketing strategies. By leveraging ManyChat, you can enhance communication, boost sales, and strengthen customer relationships. Start using ManyChat today to revolutionize how you connect with your audience. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.